The new C21 features a sliding tray that eases finger access to the patch area in the front, and the tray can also be removed completely to improve the splicing experience. There are multiple cable management features in this 1RU solution. These include multiple tie-off points, ring holders for multi-fiber cables, and front provisions to secure the fiber jumpers with hook and loop fasteners. Removable protective covers also allow improved access to both the patching and splicing areas. The C21 is available in many different configurations, such as patch-only, patch and splice, or pre-terminated with a wide range of cable types. Contact Amphenol Network Solutions today to learn more about the benefits of our new C21 solution.